Hi guys, this is Kelly's Corner, and today I'm going to be showing you some romantic gift ideas just in time for Valentine's Day. My husband and I have been together almost 22 years now, and so we've made quite a few gifts throughout the years. I think that handmade gifts really show that you care by investing time and effort, and so we try and do them quite often. These are a few of our highlights, and I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe. So this is happiness in a box. As you can see, I just took a cardboard box. I painted it. I wanted it to look kind of aged, and then I printed out the sheet that I glued on the top. On the inside, I put some romantic cards that I printed out. I also printed out some photos that were meaningful to us. And then you can see I have a mixtape, which was actually a CD, so it was back in the day. And it's just songs that made me think of him, songs that were special to us. You can see I also added some little gifts. I think at one point I put some candy in there. And the idea is that on days that your partner is having a bad day, needs a little pick me up, they can go in there, they can find them something that might turn their day around. These would be great for kids as well, and you can replenish them. So they always have something new to look at. I did this one for our 7th anniversary. The modern gift is wool. And so I took an old wool coat. You can see there's buttonholes up there at the top. And I took some fabric pieces that I stamped. And then I tried to make it look a little bit like a Boy Scout badge sash. I'm not sure if that's what they call it, but this could easily be a Valentine's gift as well. On the inside, I printed out a key that I pasted to some cardboard so that it would fold up like a card. And then you can see I put what each symbol means in reference to him and the reasons why I love him. Taking some of that same wool from our last project, I went ahead and I made a memorabilia picture from our trip to Vegas. And you can see I lined it with our casino cards, and then I took a chalk pen and I tried to make it look like a card table. I took some chips and I put the date, and then I added a deck of cards that we had left over from our souvenirs. Going along those same lines, one year I decided to go ahead and frame the memorabilia from my husband's proposal. So he proposed by taking me on a scavenger hunt, or I should say, setting me out on a scavenger hunt. And so there was a map. You can tell it was back in the day. There were some clues hidden around the city. I had to go into different stores and different things, find the clues. And then we met up at a fountain that was really special to us. We had a picnic. And in that picnic, there were some fortune cookies, and the proposal was in the cookie. So I went ahead and framed all that up, and that's what I gave him. This is probably my favorite thing that I've done for my husband. I went ahead and I Googled satellite images from the night that we met. So put in whatever your date is, and I took the image from our date. I printed it, I put it on a canvas, I painted around it, I added some text, and it's just really special. I love it so much. This last one is actually one that my husband gave to me last year. He took a piece of wood and he did a pendulum painting. I will give directions in the description below. Thank you all for watching. Bye!